If your skin feels irritated, overwhelmed, or out of balance, it may be time for a simple skin care reset. In this video, I'll walk you through gentle practical steps designed to help calm stressed skin and support everyday skin health without overcomplicating your routine. Now you might ask yourself, stressed skin? Do I need this? You'll get your answer in a bit. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more skincare tips like this. Now, what are skin stressors? Skin can become stressed due to environmental exposure, frequent product changes, harsh ingredients, or even lifestyle habits. When too much happens at the same time, the skin barrier can struggle to stay balanced. A skin care reset focuses on reducing unnecessary stress, giving the skin space to settle. A reset starts with simplifying your routine. Focus on the essentials: a gentle sulfate-free cleanser, a lightweight fragrance-free moisturizer, and a daily sun protection. Avoid introducing multiple new products at the same time. This makes it easier to understand what works for your skin and what doesn't. If you're loving this tip so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can continue to get helpful skincare insights in your feed. When skin feels reactive, less is often more. So you got to look for products designed for sensitive skin and feel free from unnecessary fragrance. Ingredients like chamomile, aloe vera, glycerin, or panthenol are often used to support skin comfort and hydration. But you always have to perform a patch test before regular use, okay? A skin care reset is about patience and consistency. So keep your routine simple and give your skin time to adjust. It's not a miracle. Always focus on balance rather than quick fixes, okay? If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions, please leave it in the comments below. I'll attend to it.